to be playing with my glasses. Sorry about that. They're crooked. Um, Here we are. Most people start the year repeating what already failed. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, but because they never stop long enough to notice what wasn't working. Just sit with that for a second. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Claudette. I work with people who've been strong for a long time, the ones who show up, the ones who push through, the ones who don't quit, even when things feel off. And that's exactly who this message is for. Every January, I see the same pattern. People don't lack motivation. They don't lack discipline. They lack accurate feedback. They keep using the same pace, the same pressure, the same expectations, even though those things already wore them down. And nobody talks about that part. Somewhere along the way, we learn that ignoring signals equals strength. Tight shoulders, you push. Poor sleep, you normalize it. That wired but tired feeling, you call it life. And because it doesn't look dramatic, it doesn't feel urgent, but that doesn't mean it isn't information. Here's the part most people miss. Your body doesn't wait until things fall apart to speak. It gives feedback early. Not to stop you, not to slow your life down, to help you adjust sooner, to repeat it slightly differently. Calm isn't quitting. Calm is information. It's your system saying, we can do this, just not like that. This isn't therapy. This is daily awareness. It looks like noticing tension before pain, fatigue before burnout, restlessness before overwhelm. When you listen earlier, you don't need extreme recovery later. That's the difference. This is the space I work in. I help people rebuild calm and strength in practical ways so they don't keep starting over every few months. This isn't about doing less. It's about doing what actually holds up. If this landed, it's probably because you've been pushing longer than you realized. You're not broken, and you're not behind. You're just ready to pay attention sooner. Because paying attention changes how you move forward. And I'm here for you. Again, I'm Claudette. And if you're not already following, please follow. And I look forward to connecting with you.